Patrol. Choo, choo, choo.
Zainab, turn around. Turn around. Very good. Now say hi to in the mirror.
Hi.
Everyone. Zainab, say hi.
Hi.
How are you? How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
You're fine? Where we are going today, Zanu?
Vet.
For what?
Jason to Stella. Choo, choo, choo.
How am I looking, Zainab? Flying kissy to me. Zainab, I have a question for you. How many chachi do you want? How many? Count on the finger. You want 4? Very good. Punch on the punch, punch. You want 4?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
High five.
One eternity later.
I don't know if Dadi will be happy to hear this answer that you want 4 chachi, but I am very happy. Punch, please. Say hi, Dadi.
I want 4 chachi.
Okay, very good. Zainab, say whatever you want to the camera. Say whatever you want to the camera.
I want to.
Say.
I want to go
Where?
to the bed.
We are already going to the bed, no, baby.
We in the bed?
We are going to the bed. Look in the camera.
We in the bed?
Yeah, we are going to bed.
We in the bed?
We are going to the bed.
There? That's the bed?
No, that is not the bed.
The pizza? Fruit?
Yeah, that is a roti shop. Chapati shop, yeah. A bread shop.
Bread shop. Yeah, bread shop. Apple. Apple.
Stella Nana is this one. Stella Baba is this one.
Hi. Do you want to get boxing now? Okay. Girl. So strong. Yeah.
So strong, yes. Just like you.
Good girl.
Not too much.
नहीं उसने वो उसको कैट ने लिक किया ना ज़रा look here Stella's medicine हाँ Zainu
Yeah, now I'm going home to tell Nani we will show the video.
and show the video
Yeah. and
okay let's
then-
go let's go
And then I said, I want to buy a surprise
for
up here.
okay yalla let's go
Wait, and I will say, roar, 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 dinosaur paw patrol, roar, roar, roar.
कैमरे में घुस गई did you get it, Zanu?
To the McDonald's.
Now we'll say hi to the mirror. Stella.
I want to show these 2 toys I bought for 2 toys that Baba gave me. I want to show this to my mother.
Okay, no problem.
50?
Let's go, run. Run, Zanu, run. Run to the door, run to the door. No knocking.